In this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out in Expert option. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to click on Finances on the left, and then you want to click on Withdrawal down here on the right. When you do this, it's going to pop up a few things. There we go. And the first thing you have to do, of course, is you must have some funds on your account to actually be able to request a withdrawal, okay? So here, it's going to say your option. You can select a bunch of different things here. Depending on, of course, your region, you're going to have different options. I'm just going to use Visa, MasterCard over here. Then you have to put in your amount. I'm going to do $10. And then you have to put in your card number to actually be able to deposit on and click on New Request. Now, of course, depending on whatever you chose, the process is going to be a bit different. It's going to be different for Google Pay over here, as you can see. And then you can just create a new request like this. And as you can see right now, I don't have the amount of balance, so I can't do this. But for you, it's going to go to the next step where you're basically going to have to just do the withdrawal. And whichever of these things you choose over here, you'll then be able to do it. So just put in your information about the different payment type you're trying to withdraw on, and then you'll be able to do so very easily. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.